Good morning, friends. Welcome to Penhouse.in YouTube channel. Today we are going to see how to repair the Elite series fountain pen. Repair in the sense there are multiple issues. This customer came and told he could not able to remove the aromatic filler, and I am going to explain you what we did and how we can easily resolve that one. As you see, once you remove the bottom portion, just twist and pull it. That is the easiest way of taking the aromatic filler out. But if it gets stuck, sometimes what happens, the plastic part which is in the front of the aromatic filler, it may go and rub in the mechanism and then it may get stuck. Okay, let us see how we resolve that one. Take a small piece of cloth and let me show you closely. So this is the aromatic filler and this is the thread area which is holding this part and as well as the section front side section area. Okay, let me put this cloth on the threads of that holder, because we need to hold that with a multiplier. Without, if you hold without this cloth, what will happen, the threads will get damaged and we cannot able to fix this bottom portion. So use a multiplier, or if you have some soft pliers also you can use that one. Just hold this area gently and don't put more pressure with the on the plier, and then try to remove the front side section area. So if it is tight, you can use some hot lukewarm water, and then you can just relax the threads, the fittings, and then you can take it out. So you can see now the bottom portion came easily, and this is the ring which is holding the cap. And take this one. Actually what happened, this area was it was having some dent mark, so that what happened, this grip area was not coming out. Now what we did, so yes, use 150 or 100 or even 80 emery. So take this one, we took this one and then we gently rubbed this area like this. What happened, the dent and the ups and downs got uniform and the surfaces were removed, ups and downs were removed, and then it went easily inside this holder. And now it is simple. All we know is we need to put this ring, we need to fix the section area. Oh no, this side. Be careful in applying this. You can use silicone grease in this area to avoid further leakage, but it will not happen because the converter will be held inside the section area, so ink will not come into picture here. If you see, the plastic part has gone inside, we need to take that one and fit near this portion. Now I have taken a tweezer, just I am pulling the plastic part out and I am going to apply cyanoacrylate adhesive, and it is known as Fevikwik in market. Be careful in using cyanoacrylate adhesive because it may spoil your hand. I am just keeping few drops in the front of that converter, aromatic filler. So let it dry for at least half an hour. If you insert now itself, it will go and stick, so we need to give some time for drying. So once you are comfortable with the aromatic filler, and you can insert in the section area. That's it. We can use Pilot V7 cartridges instead of this aromatic filler. if you want more comfort and easy filling. Sometimes if you use some primary colors like pink color and yellow color, it may deposit some stains on the rubber area. So it is we recommend to use using through cartridges for this pen particularly, if you want more life also. So after removing this, we can easily clean the pen. We can easily remove the pen just by holding with the plier. Careful, this is 18 karat gold nib. Just gently uh, pull this nib out. So you can see we have taken the nib out. So this is the way we can take the nib outside. Insertion is also simple. So this is how we repaired the aromatic filler. If you have any clarifications or questions, please leave in the comments area. Definitely we will help you out. Thank you friends, thanks for watching this video.